Ever pondered on the notion of floating in the cold, empty abyss of space without the protective shell of a spacesuit? Well, it's a chilling prospect, isn't it? Now, before your imagination takes you on a wild, cinematic ride of exploding bodies and instant death, let's dial it back to reality. The truth is, it's not as dramatic as you might think, but it's still a dire situation. So, what exactly happens to the human body in the vacuum of space without a spacesuit? Firstly, you won't instantly freeze, despite the popular myth. Space is a vacuum, and heat can't travel through a vacuum. It means your body heat won't have anything to transfer to, so you'd actually overheat rather than freeze. Secondly, you won't explode either. The human body is remarkably resilient. Yes, the vacuum of space would cause the gases in your body to expand, but not to the point of explosion. You would swell up, yes, but you wouldn't burst. Now, on to the scary part. The lack of oxygen. You'd have about 15 seconds before you passed out from lack of oxygen. After that, you'd only have about 90 seconds before your body succumbed to hypoxia, and you would, unfortunately, die. What about the radiation, you ask? Well, without the protection of a spacesuit or the Earth's atmosphere, you'd be exposed to the full force of cosmic radiation. Over time, this would increase your risk of developing cancer. So, to sum up, if you ever find yourself in space without a spacesuit, you won't freeze or explode, but you will overheat, swell up, and pass out within 15 seconds due to lack of oxygen. If you somehow managed to survive that, you'd still have the cosmic radiation to worry about. In essence, a spacesuit is your best friend in space. It keeps you warm, provides you with oxygen, and shields you from harmful radiation. So if you're planning a trip to the cosmos, remember to pack your spacesuit. It could be the difference between life and death. And that, dear listeners, is the simple and slightly terrifying science of surviving in space without a spacesuit. It's a fascinating, if somewhat morbid topic, but it demonstrates just how inhospitable space truly is for us Earthlings. It's a reminder of the marvels of human innovation and the lengths we've gone to explore the vast cosmic ocean that is space.